In this version of the floor plan, I took out the closets that were there and just added custom cabinetry all along the walls. You get four of the same size that are over here plus one smaller one. This one ends up being 21 wide, where these are 24 by 24 inches, that is. And then showing you here putting a bench here. You like 4 feet for changing space. I imagine that this will be where you guys are changing. Right now there's 3.5, but we can slide the island back. I just wanted to give it like travel room around. I'll show you the walkthrough here and what that looks like with the cabinetry. So here we come in. I put the mirror on that wall, which I think you need a mirror in there. So now this wall is all that custom cabinetry. It gives it a really, really clean look. Again, put a ladder over here so you can have something to access up top, because you have really tall ceilings. You kind of back out a bit. I don't want to get into the cabinetry. There, I'm kind of in the cabinetry. Just so you can see, I just did a wood bench here. I don't know if I can come through the door. There, through the door a little bit. There's the mirror on the side there, so you can kind of see how it would feel and look. This would drop back a few inches. It's not quite flush with the wall. Give you a little more floor space here. I'm going to go to the other side here. I want to go through the window there. So you can just get a feeling for what that looks like, and you can see it's not quite flush. Also too, if you're doing shoe storage, you would do it on an angle. I can't quite do that with my program, but that would come down the road. So this would be closet 2 with all custom cabinetry. Kind of back out so you see that head on. Oops, we're in the closet. See if I can get a view of this island to show you the drawers. So it's a little smaller drawer on top, a little bit bigger and bigger on the bottom, but we can play with the sizes of that and what your specific storage needs are. So there is 2.